Swing full week for US30, almost getting a 1,000 point swing and then closing the week on a greener note on a doji. The one key observation that the flat bottom here, it failed to breach past 33,500. That is the confirmation level for me for it to sustain the bearishness. Now what to expect next week? Is it going to fly high or is it going to break on the downside? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do watch till the end. Towards the end of the analysis, I will give you the strategy. Also, those who are new must not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and must not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily analysis on Dow Jones. I share my twice a day update for Dow Jones, once with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So do watch both the analysis and definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. Now let's have a look at the charts first, and you will find already US30 is trying to gear up with the bullish momentum. See, higher lows are consistently seen, and specifically these last 2 weeks it has showed a flat bottom. It indicates that there is a resistance for it to go downside 33,500, providing it a very good support, because below 33,500, 33,000 and 32,000 are the levels, and below that a good drop can be seen. At the same time, one must observe that the bullish momentum has started from here. It is trying to create a plateau out here, and any breach below 33,500, that should be the confirmation that it is trying to reverse, as it has achieved higher highs. But at the same time, breaking above this zone, breaking above first 34,500 and then 34,700. Yes, if it trades above 34,700, confirm this, that it is going to break past 35,000 first, 35,200 and then 35,500, 36,000 levels can also be seen. Most of the markets globally has achieved the higher highs already, and this time US30 may also not lag behind. It can probably give you another bullish candle or couple of bullish candles from here, and then make the highs at around 36,000. There is a probability which exists that it can try to rally. Now let's have a look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts too, if you just connect the dots here, see the bullishness getting plateaued here, and it appears that it is seen the cusp here. Possibly it, if it breaches below this zone at 33,500, and we may see it creating lower lows. If it breaches past then 33,000, be certain that US30 is looking forward to crash again, and then 33,000 and below levels can be seen again. It may probably crash strongly on the downside. At the same time, one must not forget that a breakout beyond the zone at 34,500, 34,700 levels, you can confirm that it is going to give you very strong bullish momentum, which may take it till towards 35,500, 36,000 levels also in the month of December itself, and hence you should remain cautious. See, already it has breached the previous highs. It has breached the support resistance levels at 34,000, trading well above these levels. Also, if you look at the movement since last few days, you will find higher highs, higher lows are getting created, and hence which also makes this case that 34,700, if it breaches, certainly we are looking at this zone, that is 35,000 levels, very strong resistance, and then 35,500. These two levels are certainly going to give it a very strong resistance on the upside. Now also one must observe that this was the consolidation zone which we had seen earlier. Probably it may try to consolidate here with a little bit of sinks, and then we may look forward to a drop. So 35,500, 36,000 levels are still appears to be achievable. Now let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly chart, see these four candles. The highs, it appears to be a trend line there, and the highs are very well connected. And hence, if it breaches past 34,700, consider this for a very good reversal, very good rise. Also, one must not forget here that this is, we have seen in last 2 months two bullish candles here, and the flat top also indicates that the bullish momentum is certain, though the bullishness can be diminished here, but the bullish momentum can sustain, and then 36,000 levels appears to be achievable here, and hence if it trades above 34,700, one can stay long at least for 35,500, 36,000 levels if it continues to trade bullish from here. So first break, let it break beyond 34,700, first target 35,000, then 35,500, 36,000 levels can be seen in the month of December itself, before it looks forward to a drop next year. So this is one probability. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? Now indicators on the daily charts, 20 period moving average giving it a very strong support, which is lying at around 33,800 700 zone, and if it breaches this you can expect 33,500 as the maximum support. Below that it is going to crash strongly on the downside. Till the time it trades above these levels, certainly we can expect that the bullish momentum to sustain. Now look at the last two candles. See, first red body, then a doji here, and yes, if it opens below the zone at 34,300, certainly you can expect that the possibly we may see bearishness. We can expect it to drop for next few couple of days at least, which may try to take it till towards 33,800 700 levels, in fact 33,500 levels, and from there a rise can be expected. So it may cool down the indicators a bit before it tries to take a fly. Now look at the directional movement. So far it's trading bullish and it is trying to converge crossover. Let's see if it does. The stochastic on the daily charts is looking upwards here, trying to enter into overbought levels, but the MACD has crossed over. This is trading bearish so far. This is trading with little bearish momentum, and I'll wait how it behaves, because see, it is yet to take a slope. If it starts to fail or drop from here, it can give you very sharp bearish move. The RSI is looking still in a comfortable zone. And now let's have a look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly chart, there is a 50 and 100 period moving average crossover. These are divergent. And also look at the 20 period moving average looking upwards here and willing to cross over here. This indicates that this is showing you a bullish momentum as it is converged and now looking upwards. Now look at the directional movement. This is divergent and bullish on the weekly charts. And if you look at the stochastic, only point here is the stochastic, which remains overbought on the weekly charts, which also indicates that the probability for it to give you a red candle exists, and hence once it trades below 34,300, certainly more bearishness can be seen. But let me show you something here. These were the times when it was overbought, and see what it has done. It has in fact given couple or more green candles, almost achieving 1,500 points and sustained the bullishness. Also, these were the times when it was overbought. It has achieved higher highs before looking forward to a drop. So yes, there is a probability of a drop which exists. However, it can sustain this bullishness for a couple of weeks for the month of December, achieve higher highs before it looks forward to a drop, or maybe it will wait for Fed before for it to take a drop, and hence next couple of weeks at least we may expect that it may show you little bullish momentum if it continues to trade on the upside. Also look at the MACD. This is appears to achieve a peak here, but yes, it is still divergent and bullish. We'll see how it behaves in next couple of weeks, because if it converges from here, crosses over for a sell, certainly it will pick more bearish momentum. But right now it is seeing the cusp out there, and probably it is looking forward to converge. This is going to be an interesting zone for US30. Let's see how it behaves. RSI is trying to also cusp it here and probably look downwards. I'll wait for it to give us a strong red candle, then confirm the bearishness. So we have seen the charts, time for us to, and we have seen the indicators also, time for us to define the levels and strategy to trade for next week. And before I proceed to give you the trading levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, if you want to learn the tools and techniques which can help you to trade profitably and help you become a proficient and profitable trader, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th mentorship batch is going to start on the first week of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, where you should buy, I will only recommend you to buy here at 34,440, but then expect 34,500 first resistance, and then 34,700. If it breaches past 34,700, you can expect that we are looking forward to 35,000 levels. This is going to be my first target. Then I will look forward to 35,235. And if it breaches this, certainly we are looking forward to 35,475 and then 35,525. Beyond that, more bullishness can take it till towards 36k also in the month of December itself. But yes, there is going to be resistance as it appears to trade overbought, and hence, and also we have seen the bullishness getting diminished. You may see it getting or trading in range before it tries to give you a breakout. Hence, you have to trade with caution on the upside and downside. Well, on the downside, where to sell for the next week? Yes, you can sell at 34,280. Below that, you can expect 34,200 as the very good, very good support. And if it breaks below 34,200, I will expect it to directly land for 34,040, which is going to be the 34 uh, 34040, which is going to be a very good support. And below 34040, certainly more bearishness will bring it till towards 33,920, 33,800. And if it breaches 33,800, certainly you can remain short for 33,500 levels. Below 33,500, more bearishness might kick in, and then you can expect it for 33k and below levels. Now, till here, you have to trade with extra caution. Only below 33,500, we can expect that the bearishness might resume here for US30. This is going to be a very good support. In between 33k and 33,500, also there are little more supports, but then the slide on the downside may increase strongly if it continues to trade on the lower side. Hence, take your positions accordingly. I will not consider this as bearish till the time it trades above 33,500 levels, and probably it may sustain the bullish momentum for a little while before it looks over to a top, and hence trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon, and yes, join my signals group or join my mentorship batch. Thank you very much. Also, to connect me, you can find my contact details in the channel and video description. In the channel and video description, my Gmail IDs and my personal Telegram ID is mentioned. Do reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.